Good morning, everyone. Welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today is Saturday, the Saturday before school starts. So I have a lot of things that I need to get done today and things that are planned. So I want to take you along with us as follow our family today, and I'll show you what the Saturday before school looks like. First off, breakfast. Breakfast is just right now those in the 2-ingredient bagels, so good. And I'm just putting some cream cheese and some lemon pepper, but my favorite is when it's with tomato, maybe sliced cucumbers. But plain it is. Okay, so being that it's pretty early in the morning still here, it's like 8 o'clock, I'm dressed, ready to go because I have so many things to do. So first off, I am going to be making something for tonight. We're going to a pool party. Our church does it every year for back to school. It's so fun. The kids love it. So I decided I would bring a dessert. So I'm making my graham cracker bars, which is super easy to do. I'll link the recipe or the video below or right here. So it's just, you'll just need butter and sweetened condensed milk, some graham crackers, which I need to go get from the pantry, chocolate chips, coconut flakes. So easy, so good. So I'll just kind of walk you through it really fast. If not, you just could visit the other video for when you want to. But let me go get the graham crackers. So I just melted down the butter in the oven, and I'm just going to add some of these graham crackers to here. It's about, I don't know, 1.5 packs crushed down. And then I'm just gonna kind of mix it into the butter and make a crust. So, and then I'll spread it back out again. So because this is back to school, I thought we could show you a little bit later what we do every year with our boys. As we get them ready for back to school. It's a special time for us, so especially for Paul, my husband. So we'll give you a glance into what we do to get our kids ready for back to school, and how sacred and special it is to us too. But let me get this going. I'm just going to put a can of the sweetened condensed milk. I'm gonna put some coconut flakes, and then I'm going to put the whole bag of chocolate chips and just kind of smash them down, and then bake it for about 25 minutes or so. All right, it just came out of the oven, 20 minutes, boom. Now I'm just going to let it come to room temperature. I'm not going to even try to cut them until before we go, because if I do, I'm gonna eat one. And I can't because it's for the church function. So I'm just gonna put it back here, and let me show you what my boys do on Saturday mornings. Hi, Ezzy.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Having a dog.
What are you playing?
Minecraft.
So we limit video games to mostly, because if it's been summer, they've been playing a lot more. But now that we're getting back to school, they only get to play on Fridays and Saturdays, and they just kind of alternate, right, Ezzy? Yeah. And we got Kobe. He is just enjoying his morning before he has to go to work. And there's Jonas having some breakfast. So you just made some toast? That's cool.
Or some good jam.
With some good jam, that's right. So I'm just going to be putting away things. You saw the entertainment center that somebody was looking for a movie or something, so I have to clean up that entertainment center. And I'm doing some laundry, but we were thinking about taking the boys out to lunch today to an authentic kind of a taqueria, which is a taco place. So we want them to actually sample some tacos because it's going to help us with Paul and our cooking video that we like to do together. So it'll help us, inspire us, I hope, for our next video. So we're gonna take them to a place called Taco y Taco, and that is in Las Vegas. So I can't wait to take you along with us. So we are on our way to Taco, where they have like legit taco stuff there. Like the al pastor is on the spigot that rotates like a rotisserie, and it's like really, really good stuff there. So we thought we would try some different tacos and let the kids do a taste test. And hey, ready to eat?
I'm ready.
All right, so we are here at Taco to Eat Taco. So exciting! You want to get some tacos? Yeah. Okay, that looks so good, that pastor. And then all of their meats are down here. So good. We have some elote here. And look at these tacos. Carne asada. That's al pastor. And then these are chicken. And then just some sides of rice and veggies. Pretty loud in there to talk, but their food is really good, and it's a little bit pricey because you're paying by the portion. So we got like 9 tacos and that was like $21 just for that. Yikes. So let me get everybody's ideas about what we could cook, and maybe it'll help us for when we make something for this week. What do you think, Paul?
I liked all the tacos. We had the carne, the pollo, and the al pastor. I liked them all. I like the al pastor and the pollo the best, and out of those two, I think the pollo was my favorite.
What were your favorite tacos?
Pollo.
The pollo. What about you, Jonas?
The El Pastor.
Pastor. Now that had the pineapple in it, and it had like a hint of cinnamon. Did you notice that? No. So maybe we'll have to think about this a little bit.
I noticed that the pollo also had a hint of cinnamon in it.
In the chicken? Yeah.
Chicken. It didn't have the pineapple though.
No. So the reason we took the kids to Taco is, of course, to have them eat lunch. But we watched a documentary on Netflix. Have you seen it? It's called Tacos, and it was so informative. It made me want to just eat a lot of tacos. So that's why. So now I don't know which taco we should try making this weekend. I'll stew on that a little bit. But we're at Target right now. So we're just going to run in, get a couple of things, and then get ready to go to that pool party later. This is not like our usual Target. So this one's like a really big one. And I just don't know where anything's at. So we might be here for a minute. Look at this cute shirt that we got for Ezra. It was $4. I just thought it was so sweet, so cute, creative. So we're on our way to the swim party. So I brought the dessert. It smells so good, and we're also going to eat some dinner there, just like pizza and sandwiches, but it's perfect for a Saturday night. Look at how much fun they're having in there. Hey, Ez. You silly. And Jonas is somewhere, probably up on that slide somewhere. That's so fun. They do this every year. A funny kid. He just asked me to record him going down the slide. There he goes. There he is. He got like water in his eyes. As he's going to show me that he's swimming. He's working so hard. Just like this year. Good job! As he's living his best life. Best day ever. I just realized that last night I didn't close the vlog out because it was so late that we just got the kids ready for bed and got them bathed and whatever. And here it is. Sunday. We just finished a great day at church, and if you were at my live, I mentioned I was giving a talk in church, which I believe went okay. And so what we do every school year is the night before we give a father's blessing to the kids to kind of get them ready for back to school and to just give them a prayer of confidence and of comfort. So we're going to get ready to do that pretty quick here and just get ready for the first day of school, you guys. We're so excited here, and we're just wishing everybody a happy first day of school if you are starting tomorrow. And we're just getting ready, so just stay tuned. I'm gonna have some more recipes coming up and some more shopping hauls coming up. But I'm just so glad and grateful to all of you for stopping by my channel. And I just wanted to tell you that I appreciate all of you so very much. And I just also wanted to tell you, stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.